Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Toto Dike. That guy get bad. He has dubious character. In character, black, born like Bobrisky Yash. As Bobrisky Yash just black. And so Toto Dike character be. As a born. Wetin Gbogbo brother just dey talk. The bad character, the useless character, the dubious character, the behavior. The girl not be wife material, not be full option. I just have flame for movie just to deceive everybody. People just get love, say but this that guy Twitter. The dubious character is obvious. Not be the way they think, not be the way they think, not be so that lady be. A very stupid lady. Now you, okay, now they see what the trend for this thing. Now you, involve somebody with they married. They get married. Whether they get a twerko, whether they naked, whether they seduce Nigerian with a naked, they twerko. I was my way marry and no say that get a twerk. And a lover, two of them never quarrel. Go to get page, you will see twerking, different twerking. Now the twerking made the guy love and marry him. Out of jealousy and heaviness, you go involve somebody, say they get insensitive. Are you in the position to involve the girl? You and somebody break up. When I break up, like 2 minutes video. When I don't break up, finish, you go to involve people. Now you involve the girl. Now the girl say go proof. Now you see the girl go court. Say we see in court. No wonder your character not to make you stay husband. Now you don't still jump enter another one again. They jump from one husband to another, from one husband to another. Jamila. Now they pursue up pattern. They won't break the marriage because your own marriage not going to get ahead. I don't know why so women will not stay husband house. Like CEO, they like to break people marriage. Why? This one now, Toto Dike. He just will break the gay marriage by force, by fire, by thunder. Why? Why some friends they wicked? Why people they wicked? Your own marriage not good. You just will break the gay marriage by force, by fire, by thunder. You won't destroy the gay marriage. Why? You go from one man to another. Since when they know you do to Dike, no man you feel stay with. It's a bad name. Jump from here to here. For this one, everybody they play book. No, you say that you be the witch. You be your character and which character you get. Your character born like Bobrisky Yash. A useless person. Now so they get to God. That. They get you go involve out of jealousy, wicked friends. Toto Dike. A very stupid girl over. Waiting, brother, they talk, waiting, they explain, like the facts. Just imagine, out of wickedness, won't break the girl marriage. Won't storm the girl marriage. Bad friends, wicked friends. Nigeria now, just get what you're the rate for Nigeria now. This is not the reign secretly, it's about some few years now. Heaviness. You won't marry, you don't grow up, you see your friend will call you now, only you just enjoy your money, see you won't get married because you won't marry now, you're the phone for your friends, you know the name your friends. Let me poison don't follow everywhere. To poison friends now, it be like normal for Nigeria now. Heaviness, jealousy, that's the word to take it. So it won't break this person get marriage. Bad friends. Bad friends. See, go worry, go everywhere. Go the poison drink. Oh, guy, if you drink, now move, leave your drink. So they use eye self, even though you hold it, they use eye pull into inside the drink, poison the drink. Just to kill the person, make the person come out for life. My friend go poison you. My friend go poison you. My guy. Oh, but my guy not set up. And my guy did not set up. My guy not see the one with the trend again. If not be God, we make people wait there see the guy we poison the drink. That guy don't go. The guy don't die. Drink and not good drink. You drink the drink, you not good drink. Different ones. Bad friend. You see girl like this. He won't go to marriage. A friend in your bestie. Go follow back. Go fuck your husband. Spoil the girl. See that girl. That's what the friend do. Now different people they follow. Now when you want to marry. Just to spoil the marriage. Make they marry him. Bad friends. See do to the girl. Marriage breaker. In office stay husband, to not stay one place. He nyash they hot everywhere. From year to year, from year he married that one. I saw the chunk for different man. I don't on that one again. That one fat. So what I go come and I go see that one not sabi fuck. He go different excuse. Bobo we see the character. Now wrong. Now the family, I drive the girl. What did the brother they talk na true? You know if you marry that girl, if you marry that girl, you will not live long. And true, the guy reason and wrong. All of us they see the character of the girl. See prove the style tape now. You go to see the girl, see the girl go beg you. Bring the tape where the girl say beg you, nothing like that. That girl dubious character, black bone like Bombay Nyash. Bad friends. See different stories, different things just happen. Out of jealousy, heaviness. Do you understand? So we just thank God. And our sister again, where they humiliate, beat, petty, I be the girl himself. People don't want help her. You wait, post her. They make money, use a private part. Use her nakedness, they make money. Still post her, but people don't want help her. Now, Penima, I want to help her. Push lion, I believe. They will help the girl. Other people don't they bring the commands to help the girl. Understand? From disgrace, the girl don't get grace. Now, so they be from grass, the girl don't get grace. From polygo, the girl don't get grace. Now, so, now where God say go for help her. People always say they feel say they're bitter, they humiliate her. But bonala, you carry the girl from grace, from green grace. Now you can from green grass to green grace. Now the girl, you don't help her, not be say that they drag, more than that they drag to help that girl. Last thing I say, they say not beat the girl for not go up. Now so they be. You will say you want to go fuck somebody up. At the end of the day, you fuck yourself up. The girl don't get grace. Now say they be. Toto DK, your character is too bad. Toto DK matter just carry me come with Jamila. Toto DK character is too bad. It's too wicked. And the wickedness, let me cannot stay us mass. Our wickedness. We just analyze the story wrongly. And now we can't get the girl mind. It's a home breaker. Nambi cannot stay us man. She's a home breaker. She get bad character. Her character is too clay born like Bombrisky Nyash. A bad character. Again, not good. So she did jump for us, man, as like dog. If just be like the dog where she draw for her hand. If you look at her hand, that dog, that puppy with their hand, I saw her character. She just did do like dog from one place to another. No wonder she draw dog for her hand. Now way now she just draw for her hand. She did walk out from one place to another like dog. They sue somebody. Now you go find the girl trouble. Now you the girl say, okay, come bring the test. They make you where the video was. Yeah. You say we see in court the petition. People are useless. Very useless woman. Stupid woman. I go to you, this Baba Obed for meeting me. I am that I am sent me. Share. And be very careful. Oga, now my guy be this now set up. I love this girl. I love this one of my best girl. This girl, we don't play the cup for secondary school. I said, your best when you get stress, when you get problem. Now you know your best. Now who go fit protect your back? Now be your best guy. People go they jealous you, they heavy you, kill you, to break your home, scatter your joy, bring you down, make you poor. It's not say no, you don't say you cannot draw your star down. You go come and say me poison this guy. People are wicked, say to decay. Wicked woman. He wants break that girl. He wants scatter the relationship, the marriage by force. Make the girl be like him. A jealousy. She jealous that girl. I greet you all. Just keep being my friend, share. I greet you all. Share, like. Anything you see, we visit me. You still get opinion. It's an opinion. Share your opinion. I greet you all about best.